everyone, welcome to day 5 of Christmas cookies from around the world with the cookbook kitchen. And today guys, we're going to Iceland. Yes, we are going to Iceland and we are cooking from this book that I discovered. A 1990 cookbook, the year I was born, by the way. The book is The Joy of Cookies, and today we are cooking egg cookies. Eier Kringel. Oh Lord, I'll just murder the pronunciation, so for that, let me not do it. In this adventure of Christmas cookies from around the world, where I'm discovering and I'm learning new things, in this recipe for today, there's something interesting. This is what the book says. These Icelandic cookies are always made during the Christmas holidays. And guess what? The surprise is here. They are made with sieved, hard-cooked egg yolks. This is a first for me. So let's have fun. Let's enjoy the adventure. That's why we are here. So welcome to today's video. Let's see what we are working with so that we can begin. This is all-purpose flour. I have some cardamom and some salt. I have some butter. I have my hard-boiled egg yolks that I've passed through a sieve, some sugar, zest of orange. I'm going to use some lemon juice. The recipe uses brandy. I don't use alcohol, so I will substitute the brandy with the lemon juice. Some egg white with some water, and lastly, what I don't have here is some colored sugar. I will show you that as we finish. So let's begin. So we are going to mix our flour with our cardamom and the salt. Let's work with our egg yolks. So we are going to beat our egg yolks in butter. Then we add the sugar and the zest. So we are going to add our lemon slowly as we mix our mixture. Now we're going to add our flour. Let me just use my hands. I flour my surface a bit. Then I pour my dough over here. I'll divide mine into two. Right now we can roll and cut out our cookies. Oh Lord, why does it look like as though it's falling apart? So I finished cutting my cookies, so we'll brush them with the egg and water mixture. And then we decorate it. colored sugar, and then we will bake it for 10 to 13 minutes. Here's my colored sugar. This is red. I have a mixture of red and a mixture. I have red and green. What am I saying? A mixture. I have red and green.